Trick or treat. Find a colourful ghost and it may give you a treat. But find the wrong ghost and it's a trick for you. Trick or treat.
Thomas, dare you enter my trick-or-treat tunnel? Find a colourful ghost and it may give you a treat, but find the wrong ghost and it's a trick for you.
Sounds like fun. Let's do it. Ah! Sorry, Thomas. I'm not going in there. I'm out of here. Oh, but I need a driver.
Hello, Thomas. Everything all right?
No, I want to go in the trick-or-treat tunnel, but my driver's too scared.
Oh, I'll drive you, Thomas. I haven't been in one of these before.
Great! Hop in.
Good luck.
Can you see anything yet?
No, not yet. There it is, Thomas.
Got ya!
Well done, Thomas. But is it a trick or a treat ghost? It's a trick ghost.
What's this? It looks like a pot of custard. What's happening?
What was that noise? Oh dear, Thomas. I'd better call Fireman Funling to clean you up. Hello, Fireman Funling. Thomas is in a bit of a sticky situation here. Could you come over and bring your hose? Oh dear, I'll be right over.
That's better. Thanks, Fireman Funling.
No problem, Thomas. Right, let's find some more ghosts. Now, where are they?
Aha! You can't hide from us, ghost. We see you. Now, what are you?
It's a treat, Thomas. Well done.
Ooh, very nice. Let's find another ghost, Thomas.
Wait a minute. Yes, found you.
Done. But is it a trick or a treat, Ghost? Yes, it's a treat, Ghost.
Lovely. There you are. Let's see what the ghost is.
A dragon?
Sorry, Thomas. It's a trick, Ghost.
Oh no, what do we do? We need help. Now, who's good with dragons? Ah, Sir Funling the Brave. Let's call him.
Hello? A dragon? Yes, I'll come right down. So, where's the dragon? I can take him on.
Be careful, sir.
Well, I don't believe it. Smokey, is that you? It's okay. This is Smokey. We go back years. He's my friend. Come on, Smokey. I've got your favourite treat in the castle. Marshmallows. Oh, it's so good to see you.
I think I've had enough of ghosts for now. Let's go home.
Good idea. But it was fun though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. This new potion should make these burgers grow into giant burgers. Professor, shouldn't you use the green potion? Oh no, what have I done? Trick or treat ghosts! We must catch them before they do any damage. Where did they go? And 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, I'm standing here waiting the arrival of Thomas, who has a new coat of paint. Hello, Professor Funling. Can we help you? Well, we're looking for some trick-or-treat ghosts which we accidentally released. Have you seen any come this way? No, I don't think any have been this way. We could check the camera in case we missed them, Reporter Funling. Great idea! Okay, but I think we would have noticed the trick-or-treat ghost. Yes, there it is! It's gone into that cave! Oh, it's a bit dark in there, but let's be brave. There it is! Now to get you back to the treehouse. I think it could be too late. It's a trick, Ghost. And what's that? It's okay. It's just a tiny alligator. Oh no! What do we do?
Calling Safari Funling. Please can you deal with this giant alligator? He's on his way.
Here he is! Oh my, that's a big alligator. But don't fear, I can deal with this. With some tasty fish. Come and get the tasty fish. Yes, he's done it! Thanks, Safari Funling. You're welcome. Let's look for another ghost.
You can come out now. They've gone.
Phew, thank goodness for that.
Professor Funling, I think we need some transport to help us.
Did somebody say they need some transport? Oh yes, we've lost some, experimental burgers. Oh dear, I'll call the Funding Express to help. Hello, train driver Funling? Professor and Robot Funding need to borrow the Funding Express. Thank you. It's on its way. Here it is. Good luck in finding your experimental burgers. Thank you, Your Majesty. Hello, train driver Funling. We're looking for some trick-or-treat ghosts that we accidentally lost. Ooh, sounds like fun. Let's find these ghosts. I can see a yellow ghost. Oh yes, let's stop. How are we going to catch it? Does somebody need my help? Oh yes, we're trying to catch that trick-or-treat ghost. I see. Whoa! Whoops. You did it, Super Funling! You caught the ghost! I did? I did. I wonder if we can take it back to the treehouse. No, it's too late. It's changing. It's okay. It's a treat ghost. It's Mulan. How lovely. You can keep the toy Super Funding as a thank you for catching the ghost. We're off to find the next one. Yay! Thank you! There's one. It's heading towards the beach. How are we going to catch this one? Oh, hello there. Anything I can do? Maybe we're trying to catch that ghost. Oh yes. Wait, I have an idea. He's fallen into the water. I'll get him. Yes, he's got him! Well done, Diver Funling! He's changing! It's a treat ghost! It's Captain America! Thank you, Diver Funling. Would you like to keep the toy? Oh yes, please! Thank you! Let's find the last ghost. There it is!
Okay. How will we catch this ghost, Professor?
What's going on here? Oh, Wizard Funling, we're trying to catch that trick-or-treat ghost. Can you help us, please? I'd be delighted. Yes, got it! So, Ghost, what are you? It's a trick, Ghost, but that's just a pot of paint. Oh no! It's magic paint! Watch out! I'm coming down! Hiya! Oh no! That's not right! Oh yeah! Whoops! Let's try... Huzzah! Phew! That's better. Well done, Wizard Funling. All 4 ghosts have been caught. Let's go home.
Who wants to play my trick or treat game?
Yes, I do.
And me? Oh, lovely. Okay then. There we are, my surprise ghosts. 2 of them contain treats, but beware, 2 of them are tricks. Ha ha ha! Now off you disappear, ghosts. Go and hide. Okay. Need some assistance getting around?
Well, yes, that would be very helpful.
Okay.
Oh? Where am I?
You're helping us with a trick-or-treat game, Thomas.
Oh, I like those games. Hop on board. Let's go.
I see a pink ghost.
Where did it go?
There it is. Well done, Funlings. But is it a trick or a treat ghost?
Oh no, it's Ultron. Do you think you can fly after him, Fairy Funling?
Well, no. I don't know how to use my wings.
Well, don't worry. I'll find a way of catching him. Now, let me see. Yes, if I climb up that water tower over there, I might be able to reach him. Here goes. Ooh. 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 Yes, I see him. Uh-oh. Ooh, I'm okay. Whoops.
What's going on? No! Oh,
Yes, Super Funny. You defeated Ultron.
Yes, I did.
Let's find the next ghost, Thomas.
Okay, let's go.
I wonder where the next ghost is.
Yes, it must be hiding.
Haven't we been here already?
It must be around here somewhere. Aha! You thought you could hide amongst the purple trees, but we spotted you. Meow.
Well done. But is it a trick or a treat, Ghost?
It's a treat, Ghost.
It's Queen Barb.
Let's find the next ghost.
Whoops!
Hey, it's a ghost. That was lucky.
So, Ghost, are you a trick or a treat?
Oh no, it's Tom Moss.
You know what that means, Fairy Funling? The next ghost has to be a treat.
Oh yes, you're right, Super Funling.
But Tom heard this, and rather than tricking Super Funling and Fairy Funling, he decided to find the treat ghost for himself.
Where's Tom going?
Maybe he's trying to find our treat ghost.
We need to go after him and beat him to the ghost.
So Thomas followed Tom.
He's going into that tunnel. I think he's found it.
Yes, there's the ghost, but we can't get to it.
Use your magic, Fairy Funling.
Okay, I'll try.
Yes, you did it, Fairy Funling.
Yes, I can't believe I did it.
Let's see what the treat is.
I'm not so sure about the chocolate.
Yes, but that treat inside should be good.
It's Hello Kitty, how lovely. Well done, you three. You found both tricks and treats. Enjoy the treats. Thanks, Witch Funling. Now we have two awesome toys to enjoy.
Trick or treat.
Thomas, dare you enter the trick-or-treat tunnel? Find a colourful ghost and it may give you a treat, but find the wrong ghost and it's a trick for you. Good luck!
Sounds like fun. Let's do it.
He's accepted the challenge. Time for some fun.
Now, where are you, ghosts? Yes, I see one. It's a red ghost. Are you a trick or a treat ghost?
Thomas! It's a treat ghost! Well done!
Oh, nice! It's a Hot Wheels car. Let's look for another ghost. There's a ghost! It's a yellow ghost. I wonder what's inside. It's a mini-me. Is that a treat?
Sorry, Thomas. This one is a trick.
That's right, Thomas. Time for a new look.
Well, at least I'm not a mash'em. Oh no! Change me back!
Never! Dum-de-dum-de-dum-dum. Ooh, oh dear.
Wizard Funling, please can you change me back?
Oh, okay.
Oh yes!
Phew, thanks, Wizard Funling.
No problem. Goodbye.
That was lucky. Let's find another ghost. Now, where is one? There's one. It's a green ghost. Is it a trick or a treat inside?
It's a treat. Well done.
It's a minion inside. Now let's find the last ghost. There it is! It's a blue ghost! Are you a trick or a treat? Tom Moss!
Sorry, Thomas. You found a trick ghost. Good luck. Not so fast, Thomas. I think this belongs to you. That will keep him quiet for a bit.
Thanks, Wizard Funling. Well, that was fun, but I think I've had enough trick-or-treating for one day. Let's go home.